In this video, we continue about exponential equation with the power of power rule. Example, if I'm got here is 4 to power of h and the other side you got h here. So how can you convert this one? Because 4 and h cannot convert to each other of the base number. So I have to convert to 2. 4, you understand, is 2 square. And about 8, you understand about 2q. And one more index law very important for this video is the power of the power. If I'm got a to power of n, and the n outside is mean a to power of product between m and n here. Example, you got 2 to power of 3 and 4 outside is mean 2 to power 3 times 4 equal to 2 to power of 12. It's very important for this one because when I'm substitute 2 equal to 2 square like here, you have to put 2 square inside this bracket because I have to substitute action for 4 and h will be outside. The other one will be 2 to power of 3, and then the power of power rule will be applied for this case. You will got 2 to power of 2h in this one, and the other one will be 3. And after this conversion, you can have two base number for both sides of this exponential equation. And then equation from the power number 2h equal to 3, and then you will got 3 over 2 by this one. 3 over 2 by this one. That is the first exercise. And the second one, we move to another case is very important. Equal to 27 to power of 2. 27 to power of 2. Okay, so how can you convert this one? 9 and 27 cannot be converted to each other. You cannot understand like 9 over 3 here and then you got 2 here. This is the wrong way. A lot of my students have mistake like this one. They tell me that 27 have relationship with 9. So 9 to power of 3. 9 to power of 3 will be equal to 27. No, this cannot be. Right? This cannot be. So 9 and 27, you cannot convert exponent from base number 9 become to base number of 27 or inverse. But 9 and 27 can be converted to exponent of base number 3. So example, you got 9 is 3 square. Inside the bracket and the outside is 2h. You have 27. You can convert this one become to the exponent with base number 3. 3q will be 27. And now you got the form of power of power. For left hand side will be 2 times 2h and the right hand side will be 3 times 2. And then you will got here is 4h and this one is 6. After that you got 4h equal to 6. And then you got 6 over 4 here. It means 3 over 2 after you simplifying. Yeah. The second one, you can see that we have to apply the power of power number to this case for solving exponential function. Of course, that's not easier. And the next one, how can you work with this one? You got here is 4. Sorry, this one is 16. Over h minus 1. Look at this. This is not only h, this is h minus 1. And then the other one will be 16 to power of 4 minus 3h. And now you can see 16 and 64 cannot be converted together. Maybe you can understand 64 equal to 16 times 4, but this one is multiplication. It's not about the indices or the power number or exponent, so we cannot using this factorizing for solving this one. But I remember about base number 4. 16 is 4 square and 64 is 4 to power of q. Another way for write down here, you can solve 16 that's like 2 to power of 4 and for this one you will got 64 is 2 to power of 6 like this, and you can choose 4 or choose based depend on you. And I will using two ways for solving this equation. The first way, I'm got 16 equal to 4 square. 4 square and then x minus 1. The other side will be 4 to power of q. 4q is mean 4 to power of 3. And the other one will be 4 minus 3h like this one. And okay, when I make the power of power, I'm going to multiply with x minus 1. But if you write down like this, you got the wrong way. Incorrect solution. Because this means 2 have to be multiplied for all x minus 1. You have to put this one inside the bracket. And the outside will be 4 to power of 3 multiply 4 minus 3h like this one. After that, you got 2x minus 1 and then 3, 4 minus 3x. Expand 2x minus 2, 12 minus 9x like this. Move it to the left hand side plus 9x minus 2 for the right hand side. Oh, sorry, here is 2. This one is 14 and this one is 11. And then you got x equal to 14 over 11. 14 over 11. The second way for solving this one, you can stop my video right now, copy this one to your slide, and then I can give you the second way for solving this equation. Second way for solving this one, I will convert to the base number 2. 16 is mean 2 to power of 4. The outside will be x minus 1. 64 will be 2 to power of 6 and the outside will be 4 minus 3x like this one. The power of power, the product between two power number like this, and you should not forget the bracket here. 2 to power of 6 multiply 4 minus 3x here, and then the power number have to be equal 4 x minus 1 and equal to 6 4 minus 3x like this. 4x minus 4, 24 minus 18x like here. Move from left to right, you got plus 18x equal to 20x plus 4. The left hand side will be 12x and the right hand side will be 28. Sorry, this one is 22. So for h here, you got 28 over 22. Divide by 2, you got 14 over 11. The same answer with the previous way. Yes. So the most important from this video is apply the power of power for changing from the exponent with this base number to other base number. So the base number is very important when you want to solve the exponential equation. Don't forget about that. Yes. See you next time.